how to remove place on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. And settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down, and here in place live section, you can see here the city you add or place. So for my example, I remove the Lucena City. So to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side of this. And you can see here the X button on the right side of this Lucena City. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to remove this Lucena City. And after that, tap the save button and another pop-up, delete current city. So are you sure you want to delete this? Okay, you'll have to do is tap the delete button on the pop-up to delete successfully this place. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed place on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.